All right, so I just bought this portable fridge, and I wanted to kind of show what you get with it. I've been pretty excited about this. I've been wanting to get a fridge, so ended up with this BougeRV 30 quart fridge. And a big reason I went ahead and went with this was, these portable fridges can be extremely expensive. And that's what's held me back from buying one in the past. I like to do overlanding, go out camping and stuff. And I've been wanting a fridge so I didn't have to deal with ice. So I'm pretty excited about it. But want to go ahead and open her up, show you what's inside of it, and see what we can fit in it, grocery-wise, and see how it works. All right, so let's start with opening this bad boy up. All right. All right, what we got? We got styrofoam. Oh yeah. Now, well, there's handles. They package it tight. Oh, that's beauty. There we go. Oh yeah. That is looking nice. So you can kind of see this bad boy. So this is the 30 quart. That looks good. All right, so get in here and open her up, and that's pretty good. It's pretty nice. And let's see, we've got our instruction manual in there. Open that up. All right, so we've got our instructions. 30 quart, 25 quart. Got your, let's see, your cords. So there's for your cigarette lighter plug. There. What we got in here? Assume your wall plug. There. Got a nice brick. And your wall outlet. So yeah, right off the bat, I mean, it feels solid. I've kind of checked out the Domatics. I was at a overlanding expo and messed around with those, and I mean, I'm not going to say this is a Domatic, but quality-wise, just the feel of the material itself, it feels quality. It feels stout. Door's nice. Got the handles on the sides. I went with the 30 quart because whenever I was measuring it out, I'm going to be putting this in the back of my Jeep Cherokee, and really anything bigger than this was going to take up more space than what I wanted to take up with a fridge or a cooler. In my Cherokee, it's just space is at a premium. But yeah, so far so good. Feels quality. Feels nice. We'll plug it in. We'll see, how long it takes it to cool down, and kind of see what all we can fit in here. So I'll grab some groceries or something. See, it's the kind of stuff I would take out on the trail, drinks, and we'll see how much we can fit in this. All right, let's do that. All right, so I want to do a couple simple tests with the new fridge here, and one of them is going to be I want to see, how long it takes to cool it down to really, I'd say 39 degrees is probably what I'll run this at the most. That as far as, when you look at the little chart here, that's the recommended temperature for the majority of what we'll we'll be using this for. So we're gonna see how long it takes to cool this thing down to 39 degrees from. I don't know what it's at just yet. We'll plug it in here a second, and I'll show you the display when it's on as well. But yeah, we're gonna time this thing, see how long it takes it to cool off. The way I envision using this is I'll plug it in my house the night before we're gonna go anywhere, you know, to cool it off. Fill it with whatever we're taking, food, drink wise, and then take it out to the Jeep, and then it'll already be cooled down. So that's you know, I want to see how long that would take. So that's what we're gonna do. All right. So first we got to plug it in. So you've got your you know, your regular plug that it comes with, the wall plug. So we're gonna use that inside. Let's see. All right. Now, let me bring you in a little closer here. All right, so we're gonna turn it on, hold for 3 seconds. There you go. So right now it's saying that we're at 57 degrees. And we are gonna go down to, whoop. So it automatically, apparently when you turn it on, wants to take it down to -8. So we're gonna go up to 39. Alright, so it is 8:06, starting at 57 degrees. Let's see how long it takes. So I kind of have an oddball selection of stuff here. I just, honestly, I just started pulling stuff out of the fridge. I'm can't imagine a time that I pack like this, but I've loaded it up one other time, and it's amazing the amount of space in this thing. Honestly, to me, it is. For a 30 quart, there's a lot more space than I ever thought there'd be. So I just grabbed a handful of stuff here out of our fridge, and we'll see what fits. All right, so let's see what we got here. All right, so the easy stuff to put in. I got a couple Lunchables. Throw those in. Let's see. Got a package of bacon. Oh, put that in like that. Oh, well, that fits good. I've got yogurt. Oh. I'll put that on that side. Alright, what else we got? We got string cheese. You know, little lunch meat. A block of cheese. Thing of bologna. Oh, what else can we... Got this thing of cranberry juice, because why not? Actually, let's see. Went ahead with a thing of ketchup. The big bottle, why not? Alright. And then, let's see. Got some cans of soda. Shove a couple of those down in there. And this is without really trying, but because I think it's better off. No, like that, there. Nope, I had it better the first time. So some cans of soda. That's what I got there. 4, 5, 6. Shut. Oh yeah. 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, kind of ran out of stuff to put in there. So that's a lot of stuff. I mean, yeah. She shuts. It's sealed. That is, well, Well, that's a lot more room than I expected with the 30 quart. So, I'm impressed. Yeah. I think you probably are too. All right. So now it's 8:21. So I believe that what was it, 8:06, 8:05, 8:06, something like that. So that's about about 15 minutes, 16 minutes, somewhere in there, to go from 56 down to 39 degrees. Not bad, not bad at all. All right, so I'd say all in all, this thing cools down fast. You saw how much it could fit in it. I mean, I know I was impressed with how much you can fit inside this thing. I'm excited about it. It's got the different modes as far as max and eco mode for how much power you're going to pull from your battery whenever you're hooked up. Whenever you're running it off of your vehicle, as well as it's got like high, medium, and low mode is for sensing your battery power. So if you're out there camping overnight and you've got this hooked up to your vehicle, it'll sense, how much juice you got left in your battery, and it'll shut this thing off. And that guarantees that, you won't get stranded out there with your vehicle not able to start because this is sucking juice all night long. So all in all, I'm pretty impressed with it. Haven't had it out overnight yet, so we'll see how it holds up. But so far, I'd say it's pretty solid.
Hola, esta es la nueva neverita que me compré para irnos de campamento. Así que la neverita portátil es la BougeRV. Esta tiene 30 litros de capacidad. La tengo allí conectada a la electricidad. De repente como que no se oye ningún ruido y ahora está haciendo ese sonido bien despacito que no se siente para nada. Cuando la prendí hace como media hora estaba en 78 grados Fahrenheit. Ahora la veo que está en 34, pero bajó hasta 28. ¿Okay? Así que viene con el conector para el carro. Entonces aquí la voy a abrir. Tiene su cadenita para aguantarla y esto del medio se retira. ¿Okay? Ahí entró. Está bien frita, pero escuchen cómo hace. De repente se apaga y vuelve otra vez a sonar así. La acabo de prender. Las instrucciones dicen que cuando la compres la dejes 12 horas por lo menos. Yo la dejé 2 días, así que hoy fue que la vinimos a prender para estar seguro de que estábamos siguiendo las instrucciones. Cuando la usemos, entonces les daré otro video para que puedan comparar acabada de comprar y ya cuando la estemos usando. ¿Okay? Pero hasta ahora se ve muy buena, las recomendaciones son excelentes. La compramos en Amazon y el precio regular estaba a $3.19 y la bajaron a $2.69. Así que una vez más, esta es la BougeRV. Así que gracias por atender el video.
Just recently received my BougeRV. It's the CR28 30 quart. I plugged it into house current to get it down to 0, and for about a half hour I've been running it off my little Senku battery on DC. Inside. Thought I'd throw a bottle in there. It's already starting to freeze. Haven't taken any of the stickers off, but basically you don't even have to read the manual. All the instructions are right here. Very nice looking machine. I estimate off that 150 watt hour battery pack, it'll probably run about 5 hours. Long enough for me to get to the store and back, and maybe use one of the bigger jackeries for camping. But there it is. Oh yeah, and this is how it came, boxed up. Lots of foam, 2 boxes, heavy duty, not a scratch on it. Beautiful. Very pleased.
So on this side, if you look carefully there, you will see our ice box, our refrigerator. It's a BougeRV 30 quart refrigerator, and it fits right in behind the driver's seat, and the driver's seat goes back far enough for me. I'm 6 foot to drive, no problem. And of course my wife, who's much shorter, has no problem at all. There is a platform underneath this that's holding it up. You may be able to see a couple of things, a couple of the platform feet that are holding it up. It also uses this bungee cord, which bungees it to the frame of the bed, which is right here, and you can see my clothes in there. And I have a 120 volt AC inverter in this machine as well, and you can see the cords for charging and things there. So that's kind of my dresser on this side, and then the ice chest, or the refrigerator. It actually works way better than an ice chest ever did.
This is the whatever RV junk. First off, this gets so hot charging it, it burns my hand. Second off, I've got it set. Oops, wrong one. To 0, but it won't get lower than 25. Those waters were frozen and now they're not. Right here you can see where the lid is warped, and I can feel every bit of cold air coming out there and back here. All the cold air is coming out. The cover that I bought with it, the bag, nice material. Horrible zippers, won't stay up. So it's no good. It's not gonna work for my needs living in my car. I want my money back.
Hello everyone, this is the review for the BougeRV cooler that I bought from Amazon. It's beautiful, it's amazing, it has beautiful capacity. As you can see, you can put water, fruit, meat, whatever you like. And as you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but there's ice here, and you can make it freeze as well, but I don't want it to freeze, obviously. It has a screen, you can put it up and down, has a lock feature, and this is the size of it, if you can see. And it's V12 or wall plug, or whatever you call it. And it's useful. Honestly, I love it. I've been using it since August 13, and it's amazing. And for all fellow truckers, if you're looking for a cooler, this is the right one.
Check out this new product. It's called the BougeRV car cooler, RV cooler, whatever you want to use it for. You're on a road trip, going camping, overnight, just whatever you want to do. You can hook this thing up to your car. You can hook it up to a power bank. You can also plug it into a regular 110 outlet. You can freeze stuff. You can keep it nice and cool. Keep your drinks in there. I got my lunch right there. I love this thing.